Hello, welcome to Moss Jaguar again. Um, what I want to do is to show you one of our latest restorations, which is being collected today and being used for the owner's daughter's wedding on Saturday. Following that, they're going to be taking it on a continental tour. So we've had to put on as many miles as we possibly could following the build to make sure that everything's going to be in order and perfect for their trip. I just want to run you through what a Moss Jaguar restoration looks like and the amount of effort we put into getting the detail right. So if we start at the front here, if you look at the chromes around the headlights, you can see that there's no gap there. There shouldn't be a gap there, and you shouldn't be damaging the paint. The headlight cover screws are slotted screws because it's a very, very early car. The headlight scoops are the correct color as well. On the earlier cars, they would have been body color, but they changed them later on. We've got the bumpers have all been re-chromed. And if you look here, this is a detail people often miss. This bit here is metal, which is part of the bonnet wing. They were painted black originally. Just that lip around the edge there was painted black, so you couldn't see it. And the final detail here, and people get this wrong a lot, that sometimes you'll see the chrome going underneath the ring here. It shouldn't do. It should butt up to it with a small radius that matches the curvature on the ring. I've seen them where they've been cut out as a slot, they go underneath, so this will not then sit flush. So important little details that the factory did. If we come to the under the bonnet, what you can see is pretty much a standard car, apart from a couple of subtle upgrades. So what we have is we have an alternator, and the car's been converted to negative earth for modern driving. So this has been a long-term owned family car. Came into us for a sort of a refresh, but it ended up being a restoration. And we've done it with driving in mind. That was the brief from the owner. Try and keep as much of the originality in the car as we possibly can, but it must be reliable. If we come to the hood is the original hood. It's not the original hood that came from the factory, but it came with the car and the owner wanted to keep it. And the thing that I absolutely love are the seats. The seats haven't been restored, neither have the consoles at all. That's exactly where his father would have sat. We see here we've got a bottle of champagne, we've got the service book, we've got a bunch of flowers, which we always give whenever we deliver a car. If you step back a bit and look at the paintwork, the paintwork is unblemished, as it should be, but it's been beautifully done. The gaps are all exactly what you'd be expecting to see on the car. The owner specified Borrani wheels, which is a lovely touch. They really are beautiful wheels, hand built. Then coming to the rear of the car, the boot area. I won't lift up the boot floor, but we always supply them with a jack hammer, etc., and a spinner tool so they can get the wheels off in the event of a puncture. That's the minimum we would always provide with one of our cars. But again, this is original. The vinyl here is original, which is always lovely to see. Again, everything has been re-chromed where it needed to be. And it's just a fantastic plate. It's been on the car for a long time, that plate. And it was a great moment to actually fit it. And I was sending the owner photographs probably every day because he was saying, I'm desperate to see the photographs of the build. And so it was just a nice thing to do. And every time he came back, wow, I'm so excited. If we come round here, you'll be able to see the cockpit. And we've got the original steering wheel. Again, it's not been restored because that was the brief. We had to change a lot of the vinyl on here because we just couldn't reuse the old stuff. It wasn't the original vinyl anyway, so it wasn't the end of the world. And the other thing that we absolutely adore is whenever we build a car, these are spare keys. There is just one key to actually start the car and unlock it with on a 3.8. And this is an FP key, which is bloody hard to get your hands on. And it's all matching locks on there as well. So it's a beautiful matching numbers car, really to be enjoyed, built with reliability in mind. What you can see on top, it's as good underneath as it is on the top of the car. Very, very pleased with it. Everything's working as it should. There's some bedding in to do on the door rubbers, for example. You saw that door took 2 attempts to close it. That's because the B-post rubbers here need settling in. And once it's been left shut for a few weeks, they will settle in. If not, when the car comes back from its long-term trip, we'll address that by adjusting the door again. So, in a nutshell, a quick look at how we restore E-Types. Thanks for watching.
Before you do, if I can just say one thing. I mean, I know at the beginning of the year, we kind of hoped, but never really expected to be picking this car up the day before daughter's wedding. And I'm really, really grateful to you all for everything you've done. I mean, I've kind of seen photographs. I've been looking forward to this day for weeks and not months. Okay. So every time you'll be sending photographs through, please don't think, oh, well, it just looked at once. It's not looked at once. It's looked at like 6 or 7 times. And I really am grateful to you guys for what you've done to be able to bring this to us today. You're absolutely all master craftsmen. Absolute master
These the guys
craftsmen.
that did it.
Absolutely. No, but it's a team effort. I fully understand it's a team effort, but I really, really am grateful to you.
Thank you. Who's filming it?
So hidden cameras.
Oh, I'll let you know. Come on then, shall we crack on then?
Ready? Fabulous. Absolutely. It looks beautiful.
Doesn't it?
Absolutely looks beautiful. When I first brought the car down, I obviously just saw angles there, and I actually said from the inside I wanted it to be the same car. And just by looking through the window, it's the same car. And then it's like, so
You're in that seat, holding that.
So this is the restoration that I didn't want it from the inside to be the new vehicle. I wanted it. It is a work of art. It absolutely is a work of art. I mean, it's like a
Beautiful, isn't it?
yeah. It's the detail, really, isn't it? That
Yeah.
makes the difference. It makes the difference every time. Even down to my special wheels. It's only me who actually know about these wheels, but
Well, people who know.
yeah.
But
But
matters.
and it's like it's a bit of an indulgence, but maybe the whole thing
No,
is.
no, but you're not really